Once again, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for all the time you spent watching my video. Thanks so much to all my returning subscribers. And if today is the first time I'm coming across my video, I want to say you are really welcome. Feel free, feel comfortable to watch and then learn one or two things. And each time you find the video tutorial helpful, educative, please don't forget to give a like. Okay, today I'll be putting on an effective toilet wash. An effective toilet wash, 100% details. Okay, and so what are the ingredients I have here? I have the SLS here, this 100 gram, and then I have the caustic soda here, just 10 gram. And then I have sulfates here. I have 34 gram sodium sulfate, and I have here soda ash. I have 20 grams of it. Okay, and so what is the next thing I'm going to do? You can see I'm putting on my gloves to protect my hands because I'm using caustic soda. And then, just like I've always told us, we need to measure our ingredients. You need your scale to measure your ingredients. So I've measured all this one with the scale, and that's why I'm giving you the grams of it. Okay, and so what is the next thing I'm going to do? I will have to soak them. I will be producing just 1 liter of toilet wash, effective toilet wash, just 1 liter. And here I have my water, 1 liter of water here. So from this water now I'm going to soak everything. I need to soak them before we start mixing them. Okay, so I will get container to soak all of them. Okay, and it's from this 1 liter of water I will take to mix them. Okay, so just this one. My caustic, I will soak it here. Since I'm just using only 1 liter of water, so I will take from that 1 liter here. Okay, and I stir it, mix it. You know, the caustic soda is one of the major ingredients for the cleaning there, and then it's a bit corrosive, and so we need to be very careful, and that's why I'm putting on my gloves. So you mix it and leave it to settle. We can't use when it's still hot. So the next thing I'm going to use, I'm going to take some water here. Okay, so still part of the water, I will pour do we know what it is again? SLS. I pour it into it and mix it. Okay, the SLS at times have taught us how to make it. You can grind it so that you can hasten the dissolving aspect of it, so that it can dissolve early. But there's no need. I'm not in such a hurry now, so I mix it and I allow it to relax. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to put my sodium sulfate here. Sodium sulfate is also part of the cleaning agent, and it's a bit strong in dissolving, so you need to be patient with it. And then the same thing, you mix it. Okay, mix it and you allow it to mix thoroughly and make sure it's clear before you start mixing it with your main ingredients. So we have mixed the caustic soda, we have mixed the SLS. This is the sodium sulfate. I put it somewhere, and then I will put my soda ash here in the remaining water and then stir it. Okay, okay, if you have watched it this day and you are here to give a thumbs up, please do like it and give constructive comments. If you're here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and put on your notification bell so that each time I put on new content, you'll be among the first set of people to watch it. So you mix it and we leave it to dissolve very well. So we have mixed our SLS, all of them. These ones are okay if your stain, the toilet stain, is not very bad. But we do add this. This is a baba for the stain where there are stubborn stain, where toilet is very stubborn. This is a ACL. Okay, and then very corrosive. Look at it. If I open it now, when I want to use it, you will see very corrosive, the steam that will come out and everything. So what are we doing now? We're not going to leave it to let it dissolve very well. Okay, can you see? Let me open it so you will see. Can you see? So you must be very careful when you are using it. So I will just use the 10% of the total I'm using, which is just about 118 grams. I'm going to measure to mix with it. So okay, it's time to mix them now. This is our SLS. It's already very thick. So I put in my caustic soda. Okay, you can see it has already changed. Okay, I put my sulfate, sodium sulfate. It's already very thick already. Very thick. Oh my god, so thick. Yeah, the soda ash. Then we mix them thoroughly. Oh, it's going to turn out to be very good. Very thick. You can see it already. Our toilet wash is in process. So remind you once again that I run online classes. Reach me on the number written on your screen. And then do not forget my ebook. In it I have over 30 recipes with their procedures. And there I have some challenges that soapers face and the solution to them, that all there. Okay, so the next time I'm going to pour the ACL. You can see the steam coming out so well already. You can see the steam coming out so well. See how it's foamy. You can see how it's foamy. The work of the ACL in it. You can see it. So now your consistency will form here. How you want it to be thick. Okay. So I can see it already. Very thick. So I will leave it to settle down. Then we'll come back and put our color. And then if you desire to have scent in it, you can put it. Okay, so at this time you will follow your consistency. So thick already. Okay, so join my online classes. Reach me on that number and you'll be added to the class. Okay, so let's leave it and cover it for some time. Okay, I'll be dropping putting the color now, so that's just drop a little of the color so that it can be evenly spread. Just put a little of the apple here, sorry, toilet wash here, and put your color. Usually happy color go for blue, so we are going to put blue. Okay, you mix it here first. blue or green. So if your color is okay like this, you drop it. If it's not, you can put small color. But let's leave it like this. It will still become dark. Okay, your toilet wash is ready. You can see it. So allow it to settle, and so you can begin to sell it, package it, and begin to sell. Will you give a thumbs up for this beautiful video? And of course, you can see it. It's now about 1.5 liters altogether. Almost 2 liters almost 2 liters. So you can see it. If your color is not enough, you can add it. Thanks so much for watching till now. See you in my next video. Bye. Look at it. So thick. Oh, very good. And then you can see the smell is so nice. Okay, you can see it. I love this production. Very, very good. Love this production. This your tile wash. Sorry, your toilet wash is ready. Beautiful. Okay, let's go packing it.